Welcome again to my tutorial video today on a newly strategy for beginner and advanced trader on UTrading robot. UTrading robot is a robot that trades for you on your Binance, Bybit, and OKS. You are not sending any money to anybody. All your money remains safe on your Binance account. This particular robot made me over $1,400 after like 3 days holding with my capital I put in. This video is not financial advisor. It's just an educational purpose. Trading crypto forex has some level of risks, all right, but you are not sending your money to anybody. The you trading trade for you automated on your Binance and OKS, all right. So, and I will show you some simple strategy you can use as a beginner and advanced trader on UTrading today. Do well to subscribe, like, and share this video right now. So let's jump into the video right away. And if you don't have an account before on UTrading, the link is down below this video. To register, connect your account together with Bybit or OKS, then let the AI bot trade for you, automated, without any issue. So just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end. I was very amazed. After like 3 days, the bot generates profits for me, as you are seeing right now on the screen. All right, so let's jump into the video. If you want to trade any coin on UTrading, all what you need to do is to just make sure to activate your bots first. Make sure you activate, you come to store, you get your fuel, you fuel the boat. When you fuel the boat, choose your preferable one, then let the AI trade for you. All right, so after you get your gas and everything have been activated, connected everything, all what you need to do, just make sure to come to market area and select a coin you want to go for. Let's say I want to trade ADA. All right, I will give you a strategy you can use for beginner and advanced trader. For beginner, if you don't know anything about trading, you can also use the time of automated. Though I recommend this particular one, I normally use that work perfectly, which is AIDCA, and this particular one we have DCA, this one. But for beginner, you don't know how to analyze market, you can be using either AIDCA Pro for sports, AIDCA Pro for what, for futures markets. But right now, let me just go to this one, AIDCA Pro for what, for futures markets. Then you come to, you select the coin you want to go for, this one. I'll give you two options, the advanced trader and the one of beginner trader. So don't select this one, then you come to this you come to this DCA. All right, as a beginner, when you click on that DCA, all right, let's say even if you want to go for long, before you do anything, all right, you yourself, I'll advise you to have a trading view account. The link is down below this video. Let me just go to trading view account right now to show you how to check the trend of the coin you want to trade on trading view. Let's go to trading right now. So this is your trading view account. Let me look, this is the coin I want to trade, 70, I mean ADA. You come to this area, you can see right now the coin has already pumped drastically, and it has already pumped drastically. It is too late for you to buy right now, but if you are professional trader, you can set a limit around this zone. All right, I can say I want to set a limit 79.37 or around this particular zone. All right, it depends on you. I want to set a limit around 79.18, 0.7918. It depends. You can see the market failed to break that particular level around 79 to 18, 79, 0.7918. This one is for professional trader that know what you need to do. I will give you two options, right? Let me just go to my UTrading, right, to show you right now the exactly strategy you can use right now. But right now, since you have the coin has already pumped already, so you don't need to go for long. Just come to this area. All right. For this, I'll first tell you the advanced trader one. As an advanced trader, if you want to short, you can come to immediately, then you change it to price. You know your pre-variable price trigger. Can you see price trigger? Price trigger. You come here, you can see. Then you come to, you go and check the price. You want to enter at 79.18 or 79.079.15. Let me just enter at 0.7915. So when the market come to this area, the bot will trigger for me. You can see price trigger for me. Then let me just say I want to use 10x leverage. So if you have $1,000 on your account, always use 10% of your capital to enter a trade. 10% of your capital, whatever capital you have, use 10% only to enter a trade. All right. So right now I can decide to change all this one to one. All right. All right, then I can say after I want to use two other 25 times 2. So I'll just put my something to 25. When you put 25%, that means 25% means I'm using what around $24. How can you get this particular figure? All right, 239.886 divided by 10. It will give around 20. Let me just show you right now on your calculator to know the exact amount you are using to trade. Let me show you right. You can see, let's say 239 divided by 239.88 divided by 10x leverage. You can see I'm just using $23 out of my own capital on my Binance account. This is how you can get the exact amount you are using to trade. You understand? If you have $1,000 account, let's say you have 1,000, 10% of 1,000 is $100. You can even divide that particular $100 into 4. Then use $25 for your first trade. It's that simple. If you have $100 is very smaller. 10% of $100, it's too high. You can just say of $100 is around $10. Then you can even divide that $10 into 4, which is 2. You can use $2.5 to enter a trade. It's that simple strategy you can be using. Hope you understand me. So let's go. So once I've already identified how much I'm using for my trade, right now I've already set the exact area I want the bot to trade for me. Okay, so I'll just say, okay, I can even set my take profit. I can even leave the take profit like this. Let's say I'm a beginner. I can even use, let's say, 1% or 1 point something percent, 1.5, or I can even have 1%. It depends on me, depend on you. You can leave it like this. Then you can leave it on single, or if you want to, you can use it single trade. Then you can also come to take profit as well. You can write either 1.5%. It's that simple, or you can leave it like that. Then you just come to launch. Then you launch it as a professional trader. But if you don't know anything about forex, I mean, so if you don't know anything about crypto, you don't know how to analyze. What you need to do as a beginner, come to this particular area. All right, come to this particular area. Then you can use this particular one, waiting UTR signal. Choose this particular one for beginner friendly. Don't know anything, you come to save. Then the bot will trigger for you at exact price that is trending with the market condition. All right, launch. You can see, you just leave it. Let me show you all my bots. Let me show you all my stop. Can you see can you see this is my the coin that gave me 1,419. I hold that particular thing for like even 3 days before I get that particular result. This is not get rich system. It have to do with length of time and patience. You can see I've already tried to put, can you see, the bot will be keep waiting. You see waiting. You can see this one is $13 on doggy. It's waiting to trigger another price. But I'm on long on BTC right now. You can see I'm on long on BTC. That's why we are seeing I'm minus. You can see I'm on long on BTC right now. Even BTC right now, I've already make okay minus. So sorry, I'm minus 3 something right now on BTC right now. So I'm longing for BTC. So I didn't worry anything. You can see I have to just wait for it to come to my something. So you can see I've already shown you this for beginner and advanced trader. You can use price trigger. Then the price when the coin when the you can use even for sports and everything. Let's say you want to go for spot trading. You can come to market again. You can select any coin. Let's say I want to select this one. I want to go for this one is sport, but you may choose this one for sport, but don't buy immediately. You can select this one for sport. Then the bot will buy for you according to the price condition. Just select this one, change it to UTR signal. If you are a beginner trader, select this one, click on, you see. Then I want to buy, let's say 250 worth of Solana for spot trading. Then I can just leave it like this. I will not even change anything. I'll just come to launch. So for this one is a spot. Then the bot will buy for me at according to the price, according to the trend of the market. Automated. I don't need to do anything. You can see. But for me as a professional trader, I can decide to use my strategy to trade. They have different strategy, all right. I have different strategy. So if you want to just, my WhatsApp number is down below this video. You can just reach out to me on WhatsApp to give you settings based on your account size. You know, my account size is different from your own. So the results may be totally different. My own results may be different from your own result, all right? But you can use particular strategy to start growing your account little bit by little bit. It's not get rich system. This video is just tutorial video. It's just educational video, not for financial advisor. So trading crypto have to do with level of risks, all right, and try to manage your risks is very, very important. Don't over leverage. Don't start using big lot size with your smaller account. So if you enjoyed this video so far, try to like and share this video to all your friends. You can use different bots, but this particular one is totally easy for you guys. If you want to, let me pick another coin. Let me just use, let's say this one, TRS, or any, let me just use another. Let me just use Ethereum right now. This is Ethereum, and I can use this for long. All right, I will not even do any analysis. I'll just say, okay, if I want to short, I can say a short because the price has already pumped. I can just choose this particular one. I can even use both one. I can pick short. Then, but the both, let me just use 10x leverage as beginner. Then I will not, okay, if you not buy immediately for me, I will just say, okay, this one is for beginner friendly. I will just use this particular one, waiting for you to have signal. And let me just use 25, which is I've already calculated. Then I'll just leave it like this, launch. So the bot will pick the trade for you, automated. You don't need to do anything. Then if you want to go for long as well for any coin, either this one, anything, let's say I want to go for, I think I'm trading SRP. SRP is there like this. This is SRP. Then if I want to go for long on this one, I will choose this particular one, AIDCA. I will choose select the 10x leverage. I'm just using for this one for beginner friendly. You don't know anything about trading. Then let the bot trade for automated. Change this particular, change this one to, all right, it's for beginner friendly. You don't need to do anything. Waiting for, all right, that's all. You can see the bot will pick for you at the normal price. You can see, all right, 250. You can see, no, okay, let's say I want to go for long. All right, I want to go for long. Then it will now pick for me at normal price for me, all right, for this one. Or short, don't even use, just leave the bot to trade, to pick the trade for you. Then you come to launch. You can see I have different strategy I'm using. Then it's when the bot come to that area, it will start picking. Can you see it's waiting. You can see waiting, normal one. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, share this video, and do where to subscribe comment below. Let me know which country are you watching from this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for